If you think that China is going to let the UN in and give them unfettered access, then you've got another thing coming. Well, what does unfettered access mean? It means that she should be able to interview whoever she wants, go wherever she wants to go, especially to those geolocated concentration campsites, with no intrusion. Now, you think China is going to allow that to happen? What's most likely going to happen is that she's going to be able to visit refurbished camps, talk to paid actors about how well that they've been treated.
Is it your choice to be here? 就是我以前因非法法律意识淡薄，被个人的极端主义和恐怖主义思想影响，村委会的孙静发现，他对我说：“这么好的学校，你可以去参加，转化自己的思想。”
And she's going to come back writing a report saying that the genocide is not real, which is exactly what China wants. Because it's all well and good to have their own media say that there is no genocide.
The Biden administration confirmed the usage of the word genocide when citing China's treatment of Uyghur people in its latest human rights report. What's the reality you see it in on spot?
Right, I think the reality can tell. This is definitely not the scenery of a genocide.
But for the UN to write a report backing up China's narrative would be perfect at a time when some countries have labeled what's happening to the Uyghurs as a genocide.
We'll continue to call on our partners around the world to join us in condemning China's genocide and crimes against humanity in Xinjiang and in taking steps to prevent goods made with forced labor from entering our supply chains.
Frankly, it would be a waste of time. She'll be wined and dined, put on a government-led tour, showing her the grounds, and she'd come back. What needs to happen is for a team to go there and stay there for at least half a year and investigate, and then come back with a report, which is very, very unlikely to happen. As a solution, I really don't know what a solution could be. I mean, we've seen in recent weeks how quickly the world acted against Russia in its invasion of Ukraine, placing sanctions upon Russia.
We will limit Russia's ability to do business in dollars, euros, pounds, and yen.
Today, in concert with our allies, we will agree a massive package of economic sanctions designed in time to hobble the Russian economy.
We've seen major brands, all brands from A to Z, leaving Russia in a response to Russia's invasion. But yet, we haven't seen such a response when it comes to the Uyghur genocide, when it comes to China. Why the double standard? I mean, China have even gone out and said that they are preparing for this visit. Any report that is set to come out after a visit will only work in China's favor. I mean, why doesn't Michelle Bachelet release her report that she's already got? I wonder what China would say if she were to release a report outlining the abuses, outlining the genocide, outlining the crimes against humanity that China has committed against the Uyghurs.
On the basis of evidence heard in public, the tribunal is satisfied beyond reasonable doubt. PRC, by the imposition of measures to prevent births intended to destroy a significant part of the Uyghurs in Xinjiang, as such, has committed genocide.
Do you think that they would still let a high UN official visit the region if such a report came out before such a visit? I don't think so.